Most people get this wrong. They think Chime and Cash App are just digital wallets. But the surprising truth is that each is designed for a different purpose, and choosing the right one depends on how you handle money daily. Chime is an online bank with no monthly fees, early direct deposit, and automatic savings features. You won't believe what happens next. It even offers a fee-free overdraft up to $200 for eligible members. It's ideal if you want a full-featured banking experience with a debit card, direct deposit, and easy budgeting tools. Cash App, on the other hand, started as a peer-to-peer payment service, letting you send and receive money instantly. It also allows Bitcoin trading, investing in stocks, and even a cash card for spending. Cash App is great for fast transactions, splitting bills, and casual investing. When it comes to fees, Chime avoids most traditional banking fees, while Cash App charges for instant transfers and Bitcoin transactions. Security is strong for both, with encryption and two-factor authentication, but Chime provides FDIC insurance for your deposits, which Cash App does not fully cover. In conclusion, if you want a digital bank to manage your paycheck, savings, and everyday spending, Chime is likely better. If you want quick payments, casual investing, and flexibility in sending money to friends, Cash App is more suitable. Subscribe for more comparisons to help you pick the best fintech apps for your needs.